Say you don't know me, I recognize my face. Say you don't care who goes to that kind of place. Knee deep in the hoopla, sinking in your fight. Too many
Dito po kami sa San Nicolas. Oh, thank you. Good morning. Good morning sa mga tiga rito. San Nicolas. 45 kilometers from Santa Fe.
Someone always playing corporation games. Who cares? They're always changing corporation names. We just want to dance here. Someone stole the stage. They call us irresponsible. Write us off the page. Marconi plays the mama. Listen to the radio.
Uy, ay mga ibon.
To remember, we built this
Yan,
city.
dadaan natin. Ayun.
We built this city on rock and
Ayan. Maliko.
built this city.
Ayan si Norle. Maon pa lang.
Built this city on rock and roll. Built
Apa
this
siya?
city. We built this city on rock and it's just another Sunday in a tired old street. Police have got the chokehold.
Ayan pa lang siya. Marigdat po dito. Oh. Ayan sa
Who counts the money underneath the bar? Who rides the wrecking ball into our guitars? Don't tell us you need us, 'cause we're the simple fools looking for America, crawling through your schools.
Looking out over that Golden Gate Bridge on another gorgeous sunny Saturday. I'm seeing that bumper to bumper traffic.
Don't you remember
It's your favorite radio station.
Ayan, dumana siya.
Radio City, the city by the
ganda.
bay, the city that rocks, the city that never sleeps.
Shoutout mga tiga Panigi. O, di mo na, mamaya na naman. Kaya na naman tayo mag-vlog.
Don't you remember we built this city? We built this city on rock and roll. We built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city.
27 kilometers, Santa Fe. Santa Fe pa, 77 kilometers pa. Layo-layo pa. Ayun kami. 37 kilometers from Santa Fe. Dito kami. Oh. Ganda oh. Katamtaman ng init, katamtaman ng lamig. Mamaya, problema din pauwi. Ayan, tignan mo yung mga ano, mga ano, mga naka ano, mga nagbibiyahe. Shoutout sa mga ano, mga motorista. Shoutout sa kanila. Oh. Yung mga naglalakad po. Oh. Hirap na hirap na. Siyempre mamaya ito problema na yung pababa. Nakakatakot ng pababa dito. Ilan?
16 kilometers.
Ha?
Picture mo rito.
Yan. Oh. Yan pa, yan pa. Yan, 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 yan. Isa pa. Oh. Matarik. Ito yung pahon na ano, matarik dito. Ito yung portion na matarik dito. Grabe ang tarik dito. Yan ang view rito. Woo! Grabe. Ganda oh. Mamaya naman. $33 kilometers. Santa Fe. Yan ang dadaanan mo. Yan daan na yan. 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 Hangin dito, lakas ng hangin, grabe. Lalo kung mahirapan paakyat. Alam mo, matarik na dito masyado.